Hello friends, today I will be talking about the latest shake feature of the Windows 11. So let's start. What you have to do is in your Windows 11, just go to the settings. Once you're on the settings, click on the system. Once you're on the system, click on this option which is multitasking. Once you are there, it says title bar window shake. So in this, you just have to turn this on and just close this. Now, I will show you a demo. So suppose if we have everything open here. So I have four different tabs open here. And if I shake this one screen, I can choose any screen. I left click and just shake it. Now the screen goes through. And if I shake it again, the screen come back again. And you can, it's really like a cool feature for the Windows 11, and that's for it today. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box, and see you in the next one.